How to get free gift on Temu without inviting friends. Hi guys, welcome to our channel. Let's begin. First of all, you want to type in this exact link in a web browser. So go ahead and open up any web browser and enter that link. Now, you can continue on the Temu app. For that, tap on continue over here. Now, you get to pick 3 free gifts over here. So go ahead and tap on the claim option. Tap on claim it for free. Now again scroll down and find 2 other free gifts. Now after all 3 free gifts have been packed, you want to confirm your shipping address. Go ahead and enter your first name over here, then enter your last name. After that, you want to enter your address. Then you want to enter your phone number. Now tap on the save option. Now a verification code has been sent to the mobile number you entered. Go ahead and type it over here. You also have the rules tab here, so you want to check this out. Follow the given instructions over here. Then you will be able to get your free gift on Temu without inviting friends. And that's it for this video. If you found it helpful, please make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this.